Hi guys, this is Olivia. Today we're going to learn about relating fractions, decimals, and percents. So what do you know for looking at each picture? You can see a bunch of numbers that uses percentage, right? And recall that a percent means per 100. So when you see a number that's 49%, you can think of it as 49 over 100 or 0.49. For example, let's look at the number right here. If you look at a number that says 25%, that means 25 over 100, which is also 0.25. Okay? Conversely, a decimal can be written as a percent as well. So say you see a number that's 0.15, which means 15 over 100, you can convert it into 15%. Let's think about the example right here. Write each percent as a fraction and as a decimal. First, we have 75%, which means 75. Oops. Since we don't have enough room, let me just write it right here. So we have 75%, which means 75 out of 100, which is a fraction form, and then you can switch it into a decimal form, which is 0.75. We have 9%, which is 9 over 100, which is 0.09. Great job. Let's move on to the next one. Write each fraction as a percent and as a decimal. So right now we have a number that's 2 over 5. And to make it into percent, to make it into decimal, you can simply multiply 2 to both numerator and denominator, which is 4 over 10, right? Which is 0.4, which is 40%. Great job. Let's try this one. We have 7 over 20, and you're going to simply multiply 5 to both numerator and denominator, which is 35 over 100, which gives us 0.35 and 35%. So you need to practice how to convert both fractions, decimals, and percent. Let's try one more example right here. Write each fraction as a decimal and percent. So we have this one, 2 over 10, which is 0.2, which is 20%, right? Let's try this one, 13 out of 20. So to make it into decimal, we need to multiply 5 for both numerator and denominator. So 13 times 5 over 20 times 5, which is going to give us 65 over 100. So in a decimal form, it's going to be 0.65, and in percent, it's going to be 65%. Great job.